and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and this is Skullhead, the gardening, cooking, and DIY. Today I'm going to be making some brown sugar, and I wanted to take you along because later on I'm going to do some baking and I'm all out of brown sugar, so I wanted to show you how I make mine. I don't buy store-bought, so let's get started.
So here I have my mixer. Now you can, if you don't have a electric mixer, you can use a bowl and a spoon, you can use a bowl and a fork, you can use a hand mixer if you have one of those. So it's up to you how you want to mix it. So now you want to add 5 cups of sugar to your bowl. I'm using cane sugar. You can use white sugar if that's all you have, that's fine too. So now you want to add your molasses. I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of molasses to 5 cups of sugar. So we're just going to mix this up quickly and let the molasses incorporate into the sugar. Scrape your bowl as you go. Here I'm just stopping and starting my machine and scraping the bowl. I find that the molasses really sticks to the sides, so you want to get all what you can and then incorporate that into the sugar. So that's it. Look how beautiful that is. It's light and it's fluffy and it's fresh, no lumps. And then all you do is jar it. Now it makes, obviously it's 5 cups of brown sugar. Most recipes only need 3/4 of a cup. I mean, there are some exceptions to the rules, but most of the recipes I use are 3/4 of a cup. So I've got plenty for quite a few recipes. And then when I'm run out, I quickly make more.
So that is how easy it is to make brown sugar. 2 ingredients. I use cane sugar and molasses. You can use any type of sugar that you have. And the shelf life on it is about 5 or 6 months. Mine doesn't even last that long because I do an awful lot of baking and I use the brown sugar up. It doesn't clump up like the store-bought because I really don't know how long it's been since they made that, and I find that by the time it sits on my shelf, it's just hard as a rock. So consider making your own brown sugar. Let me know in the comments below and tell me how yours turned out. If you like this channel, please subscribe and tickle that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.